Mumero wa Opuntia stricta ni ukoretwo githumbura arithia a mahiu mwena uyu ni undu ni uri miigwa iria yathesha mahiu no gukua makuaga. Mena ya kaunti ya Laikipia irehutetio muno ni thina wa mumero uyu ni Makurian, Doldol, Mulpusi na Polei.
We've been thinking of how we can get rid of it. So this is just one of the ways that we are coming up with to make sure that we are checking the overgrowth of this weed that was introduced to this area by the colonial government.
Muthuthuria wa maria maturigicĩirie Francis Merinyi ni muikari wa kaunti ya Laikipia uria ukite na kihonia gia guthondeka hinya wa thitima kumana na mumero uyu.
The machine which crushed it into porridge like substance, then that substance is transferred to the containers you are seeing here, and it stays there for around 21 days to ferment. Now we get the biogas is being produced.
Oho augete ni akoretwo agika uthuthuria kwa ihinda iraya na guthundura njira ya kunina mumero uyu. Hadini Hakameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wanjiku Wakahiu.